Peace, peace, peace. This is your boy Reason with Reason Knows It All. Had to stop on the corner right quick, man. Show y'all this big migration. This whole field right here, full of, I guess they geese. All the way over into this side. Oh, they just flew off on this side. Oh, you still can see them out there. That's brown dirt. But all them white spots out there is birds. Birds. I guess they geese. They piped up. One of the things we see when we out here dropping these packages, they going all the way out through the field too, way back that way. Beautiful, just beautiful.